husband and I wanted to go fishing on one of the Great Lakes, but we didn't have much experience with fishing. Places like Henderson Harbor on Lake Ontario have these charter boats that cater to everyone, even beginners like us. In fact, we didn't even need to bring tackle boxes or fishing poles. The captain provided all the equipment we needed, including these things called planer boards, which carried the lines way out so that we could fish even more of the water. Having a captain guide us really improved our chances of catching fish. They're such experts, they practically bring the fish right to you. Those lake trout and brown trout didn't even know what hit them. The great waters of Lake Ontario truly offer some of the best fishing in the world. I'll never forget the experience of having a huge fish at the end of my line. I already booked our next charter. We're coming back to Lake Ontario in the midsummer to catch salmon, which I hear are even bigger than trout. They say the lake is always open for business, so we'll definitely be back again.